one of our listeners here, an operations leader that's listening in, if let's say they're about to sign on the dotted line for a system of similar complexity or magnitude, what's something that they should take away? What's something that they must do, consider, as they are now about to commit to a new project? And I'm going to give you at 4 different stages. So let's say the first stage, what must they get right during the sales award phase prior to awarding a vendor?
Prior to awarding a vendor, definitely exploring your network, like find references, examples, and experience from others. Like you don't have the experience, you don't have the knowledge, like feed yourself with the experience and the knowledge of others to have as many points of reference to take the best decision on the available vendors. That will be my first one for that first part.
Okay, now a vendor has been awarded. You found the dream vendor, right? And with a salesperson you like, and they actually do a good job. Now, so during the design phase, what's one thing that we must get right?
I would say you need to be able to map the process and bring all the key players. In the moment that in the design phase you miss one of the key players, that's where halts start appearing. You need to bring like distribution, for example, you need to bring people from customer service, from inventory management, from quality. There's a bunch of pieces that you don't think on them at the beginning, like as direct part of a distribution operation. But they are definitely key players. So I will say design phase, make sure that all the key players for your process are covered on the design.
Great insights there. And I'll ask the next 2 phases here together at the same time. Prior to go live and post go live, one thing that we must get right for both of those phases.
Prior to go live, like there are 2 key parts that I will definitely put time on. One is training and kind of creating as much experience as possible in the people that are running the operation. And the second is testing and running the new system and the new interfaces and all the flow. Like the most you have it running before the big go live, like if you put that chunk of your business couple of weeks before, that way you start proving and testing all the pieces, the better. Those are the 2 things that I will dedicate a little bit more time to guarantee that the go live goes as smooth as possible.
And then after go live, is there anything else in particular specific to now you're in control of the system, one thing that you must get right?
Well, try to keep as much as possible the experts around. Like being having done the agreements with the vendors to keep them around, or you hiring, like keeping some type of consultants or something around, or having given the opportunity to your internal experts to grow that education, that interaction and everything from the beginning and keep them around. That will be my key point, because that will make them the difference between life and death once something breaks.